Soara-soara ni Partopi tao Toba mo jala dapotmu arta nasohabilangani Sada turi-turian najolo sude halo Lissoi ia buarhu si samosir udah jawan mau samosir ia haumaon napunasa ima ho dohot au tiap hari disodo au mangula asa adong parangudwoku abungo au mukuni sese asa boy hau maon marperkue sa sikang na masal lojaro ang arot si tutudo aku ni pangulupian muna sa gabi duminggan pangudwo oma bonan rapid si leonur dia kay deke siyang dimana dohot ko ilaw pangudwo siya pari Gabilokan bijak dan terbang dapotan deke galak makat. Oke, turubing sairton ay deke bangolo dong deke dapotmu deke mulak maaw si jabu mamulus maaw siyan gunani pabukti daranaku mulak jabu masay lungudlo roha aswadong dapotku deke taho alam ditikti mga batar una nigernya.
I am taking a nap and fell asleep. At night, I am dreaming gone fishing. I saw two fish in the river. So on the next day, I go there for fishing. Here I come, fish. Hopefully my dream will come true. There are two fish in the river. There is one more fish left. Catch if you can. I got one. I am so happy, because fish taste so yummy. By the way, have you seen inside of my house? Fish will be cooked for dinner, after farming done in the afternoon. I go to the farm to do my regular job, and come back home again to cook my fish. But the fish reincarnated to be a beautiful Miss Fish. This is weird. I asked myself, how this happened. Again she helped me cooking for dinner. She is cooking, yeah, she is cooking for me. Thank you. We are having dinner and thank God for beautiful lady and the food she has cooked. At night we sleep together. And she only asked me for not to telling anyone that she is a fish. Not so long, Dolly has something in her body. She noticed that when she is looking on her in the mirror. Oh my goodness, is she having a baby? Yes, he is my son. We named him Toba. My mom will teach me Punic script, if I can reach my ears with index finger over the head, like this. Father said my mother is a good housewife. She always cooks breakfast, lunch and dinner. That's why I bring my father's lunch so he can have lunch in the farm. Oh, no. I fell down and the food all messed up. I colored it all the food so my dad can have lunch. And I walked. I gave the food to my father. He is really hungry. I can see it. Right, Dad? My dad said, I am son of a fish instead of son of beach. I didn't tell the truth, but his lunch got dirty was caused by accident. I am going home with my dad's pig food container. This is my parents' paddy field. I asked myself, should I tell my mom that I am a son of fish? My mom always says, tell the truth, blind. Now, I am telling the truth, Mom. Mom, Dad said, I am a son of fish. I am not. Seems Mom doesn't really care what I am telling, as she continued to teach me Batak script. I'm on a ratala bus. And time to take a nap, too. When I was taking a nap, my mom went out and said, Sam, didn't I ask you, Sam, not to telling anyone that I am a fish? You heard her, Sam. I know who I am. She walked down the stairs, continued to say, I Princess Sully will go back to where I am from. My mom bowed, and she did it. Rain pours down. It is cold all here. Oh man, slipping again. His son Toba could not do anything, except playing his flute. This is how Lake Toba looks like from the beginning. Today, Uncle Sam's late grandchild concerns are deforestation. To express Toba's sweet and sour impression, Toba's grandchild, Samosir the 12th shares old-time memories, so people around the globe could see what's going on. Now, they are still living there. This picture was taken in back of their Batak's house. From left to right, Uncle Sam, Toba, Molly, no offense, okay. Batak house old shoe. No man is an island. Fish cultivation, tourism, hospitality, yes, come, see and build. Express. Rodami means peace comes. Horas, Madehi Sude. Infrastructure. Yes, we can. There is a hope. From good, bad, the better. Tourist destination. Thank you for visiting. Please come back again.